Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Markets finished up mixed yesterday. You had corn and wheat trading lower while beans were higher on the day. Mixed again so far this morning. You got corn and beans trading higher while wheat's lower. Export sales released this morning. Corn and wheat were within expectations while beans exceeded expectations, so we'll see how that plays out moving forward. Of course, they do come out at 7:30 Central, so the market's had a little time to digest it. We'll see how the pit reacts, though, when it opens up here at 8:30 in the morning. Moving forward today, really not a whole lot of fresh fundamental news to go on. Weather outlook is nearly ideal for the next couple of weeks here in the States, so that could pressure prices a little bit. Over in Russia, you do have the main grain growing region over there is starting to get a little dry, so we'll have to keep our eye on that and see if it does lend some support to the wheat market. But as noted, we're a little lower so far this morning in the wheat market. We're simply too expensive here in the United States as far as the world goes. So we'll have to see how that pans out to see if we do start getting a little bit of business or if the dryness over in Russia can support the wheat market, because we're headed for about, I think, our lowest monthly close in almost 3 years as far as what the wheat market has lost this month. Not necessarily lowest close on a month, but what we've lost this month would be around the lowest in the past 3 years, I believe. So we'll keep our eye on the wheat market moving forward. And keep your eye on the weather. As I said, it is nearly ideal. That definitely is not supportive for the market, but we'll have to see how that plays out. Again, we have the Rogers roll going on. Could pressure prices a little bit as they roll out of the July contract into September. Could see that pressure prices a little bit at the close. Goldman roll starts next Friday as well. So that's all we've got for this week. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.